Hello, we are going to perform here very simple experiment. You have to find out reason behind the happening in this experiment. So we have poured simple water, ordinary water is there in the tray. Fill out some level. It should not overflow, only that precaution we have to take. And now we are putting a pin in this water. As you are aware, density of iron or steel is more than that of water. That pin must sink inside the water. So it is there, you can observe clearly that pins are sinking in the water. But now we have to make such arrangement that pin should float on water. Is it possible? Answer, yes. No doubt density of pin is more than that of water. But still, now look, here we are attempting that it should float on water. Maybe possible we have already dipped 4 pins. But the steady hand, steady and dry hand, look here, this pin is floating on water. Try to observe carefully in vicinity of this pin. You will get there is depression in the water layer. You can even clearly check out that one pin is perpendicular, that is sink inside. Just observe the margins of that pin, how it is observing, because there is depression in this layer. We are making more clear this depression. We are changing out the angle of camera, and with help of light and camera angle you can check out there is little bit depression. Now also it is clearly visible, but now making this different angle you can observe there is clear cut. Just look the bend in the pin which is dipping, that is refraction pattern. That refraction is clearly showing that there is depression in water surface. Now here by changing another angle you can observe we put another pin where you can get it clearly floating. Something like milk is giving us cream, and on cream certain insect can float. Like that these pins are floating on surface of water. Now check out another second pin is there, that is also easily floating, and you can observe now clearly depression on this water layer is observed. The question is that if density of pin is more than that of water, then why pin is not sinking out easily, it is floating. Now we are adding out a drop of soap water. You are aware soap is colloidal solution, and observe what happens. The pins are moved away. Now look at second left hand side pin. It is going to sink immediately. Why this happened? We have to check. Now another concept you can observe in this video, instead of this pin we are observing, we are focusing on certain insects. These insects are dancing over the water surface. Just check out the foot or leg part of this insect. It is not dipped inside water, it is just floating on water. They are walking on water like some miracle. But check out the reason behind it. So here we want to get idea. I am giving you just hint about this. This is called as concept of surface tension. But find out answer yourself. Why this is happening? Why pin in first experiment sinks down, but if we added carefully with dry hands, clean and dry hands, then pin is floating on surface of water. Density of iron or density of that steel is more than that of water. Relative density of steel is greater than 1, and still it is floating. So we have to find out answer. So try to gauge various concepts in science and get answer. If you are not able to get answer, then observe our same video lecture that is explaining the answer clearly on this same channel, that is UPSC-Guru.